I had a song that sounded good, but visually, I had absolutely nothing. No actors, no location, no camera crew, just the audio file. So I gave it to VidMuse AI with one goal: make this song look like it belongs in an actual movie. And I wasn't looking for a random collection of AI clips. I wanted to see if the visuals could actually match the mood of the music. The first thing I noticed is how much easier this makes the starting point. Normally, I'd have to figure out the concept, find footage, create scenes, edit everything around the music, and then spend another few hours fixing shots that don't fit. With an AI workflow, I can start with the song and build the visual idea around it instead. And that's what makes VidMuse AI interesting for musicians and creators. You don't necessarily need to know how to shoot a music video. You can start with the feeling you're trying to create and see what the AI comes up with. But I quickly learned something. Making one beautiful AI shot is easy compared with making a whole video feel connected. One scene might look incredible, and then the next one feels like it came from a completely different movie. The character can change, the lighting can shift, the camera style might suddenly feel different. And if you're watching the whole thing from beginning to end, those inconsistencies stand out. So I wouldn't just generate the video and call it finished. I'd actually play the entire song and watch the visuals at the same time. Does the energy change when the music changes? Does the visual match the emotion? Does the chorus feel bigger? Are there moments where the screen is doing something interesting, or does it just look like AI is showing off? Those are the things that make a music video feel intentional. For me, that's where VidMuse AI becomes more useful. It doesn't have to replace a professional music video production. It can help a musician or creator get from I have a song to I have a visual concept much faster. And if you're an independent artist, YouTuber, freelancer, or agency, that can be a pretty big deal. You can experiment with ideas before spending thousands on a production. I wouldn't expect every generation to be perfect though. You'll still want to regenerate some scenes, remove weaker shots, and make creative decisions yourself. So, did VidMuse AI make my song look like a movie? It definitely got me much closer than starting with an empty timeline would have. And honestly, that's what I want from an AI tool. A faster path from an idea to something I can actually work with. Now imagine your favorite song getting a full cinematic AI treatment. What song would you choose? Comment below and tell me the song you'd turn into a movie first.